Right now doing front rotors and pads. They're quite worn, so.
Yes, they are.
Is that a barnacle, Daniel?
What's a barnacle?
You mean like in the ocean? Is there another kind?
So, just filmed this, and we're gonna show you guys a before and after because it needs a detail. Our guy Wormer is going to come and detail it. This is going to bring a trailer. It is beautiful, and I can't wait to shoot it when it's clean. But it just rained today, so just wanted to get it while she was wet. You guys are interested in this car or any of the other cars, just be sure to hit us up. We got plenty of E46s, Z4s, M5s, the real M5s, I should say. And we got a Lotus over there. So check us out. You see us, you know where we at. Pull up. I'm just a videographer. My man Dan is not here. Just had his first baby, so I'm going to try to pick up the slack. So Dan, wish me luck. We got a blue Z4, silver Z4, a black Z4, a red Z4, and another black Z4. Daniel, what are you doing?
So on this 3 Series, we're just doing, right now doing front rotors and pads. They're quite worn, so.
Yes, they are.
Is that a barnacle, Daniel?
What's a barnacle?
You mean like in the ocean? Is there another kind?
Well, I mean, no, but... Sean, you're a little bit longer than mine.
Sean is replacing the timing chain and guides. He had to take both Vanos units off, which are here. I'll throw in some B-roll. I already filmed these. But as you can clearly see, this beautiful V8 BMW. What year is this? 2002. 02, M5. Oh my goodness. Look at the guts on her.
I was potty training during this car.
Yes, he was. He was, yeah. My guy is young. But he knows what he's doing. Yeah. Gonna hook these brakes up here. Yes, sir. He knows what he's doing. He knows his way around a car. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Yeah, once Sean gets this bad boy running, yes, sir. She gonna make someone smile.
Sean, will this do a good burnout?
Oh, I bet this would do a crazy burnout, right? Weren't you guys talking about this? 2002 had no restrictions.
What about the joke? Will it burn out?
Will this do a burnout?
Every car, like in the lot, will it burn out?
Oh, yeah. Oh, hold on. Will this do a burnout? It's extra drive.
I'm sure if there's a wheel.
But I'm sure we throw some vegetable oil on the ground, she'll do something. Some baby oil out there, she'll get to spinning.
Thanks again for checking out one of our videos. Here at Atlas Motor Company, our BMW inventory gets refreshed every single week. We're gonna have fresh new content for you on a weekly basis. If you like what you guys saw, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get alerts, and we'll see you next time.